Anant Ambani's wedding is surely heading to be one of the most expensive weddings in the history of mankind, and probably the longest celebration to date because the pre-wedding function started back in March and the final wedding date is July 14th. Well, that's 4.5 months of celebration, which included two massive pre-wedding functions. One in Jamnagar costing 1,000 crores. The other one is a 4-day luxury cruise in Europe, costing not less than another 1,000 crores. And now the actual and final pre-wedding festivities have just begun, which include the Mameru, Haldi, Sangeet and Mendi. The wedding date is 12th of July and all the functions will be wrapped by 14th of July. And the most exciting part is Justin Bieber will be there at the wedding to perform at the Sangeet of the bride and groom. And reportedly he is charging over 50 crores Indian rupee for a single day function. Well, only the Ambanis can make it happen. Now it will be interesting to see Justin's performance at the Sangeet night. While we talk about luxury, the Ambanis are not just rich in money but by heart as well. Just before the wedding festivities started, they organized a mass wedding where they conducted and sponsored the marriage of 50 underprivileged couples. Not just the wedding, the Ambanis also gifted 1 lakh Indian rupees each to the couple so that they can start a new life with that money. This wedding has turned out to be a dream wedding for millions of people and people are really enjoying it through the lens. But along with lots of love and blessings, the Ambanis are also getting trolled and hate for this move. There are several reasons behind it. The first one is the price hike on Reliance Jio data service. Amidst the wedding functions, the Ambanis decided to hike the price of the data service they are providing, and people are enraged, saying it's all because of the wedding and that the Ambanis are using their money to celebrate their son's wedding. Others mock the Ambanis, saying each Jio users are the sponsors of this wedding. The next reason is that people are accusing the Ambanis of using the wedding as a medium to show off and for business gain. They are spending crores to invite international guests like Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg so that the Ambanis could be the talk of the world. Apparently, Rihanna's visit to India for first pre-wedding function of Anant and Radhika was also a business deal. Well, no doubt Mukesh Ambani is a businessman for a reason. Moving on with the celebration, the Mameru function just got over and the couple's close friends Janhvi Kapoor and Shikhar Paharia were seen at the function. Now it will be a wait and watch episode for all of us to see who will be the top A-list guests at this grand Ambani wedding.
Urfi Javed takes a dig at Poonam's death stunt and says she should not pretend to be dead just to get overnight success.
People want to come in, but then they want like it's an overnight जल्दी fame चाहिए. मेहनत तो आपने भी बहुत की है actually.
बस मरने का नाटक मत करना, वो ज़्यादा कुछ.
Well, a month back, news of Poonam's death due to cervical cancer circulated through her official social media handles, and people were in deep shock. But within the next day, she posted a video saying she didn't die and that it was a campaign for cervical cancer awareness. So people called it cheap publicity, and now Urfi has indirectly reacted to it. She even clarifies that no one gets overnight success and that you need to work hard to be successful.
Overnight कुछ नहीं मिलता है. It's a journey. आप एक से सीधे छलांग नहीं मार सकते ऊपर. उसमें बहुत रिस्क है. आपको सीढ़ियाँ चलनी पड़ेंगी.